Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Rizky Fitri. I am going to present monologue about missing my slap home. I miss dancing hall then when life was not so complicated. Back then I did not worry about anything. My only problem was which game to play or which friend to visit. I remember laughter raining in the rain and the sound of mom's cooking when I returned home. Now I grow up and life is full of my responsibility. Sometimes I wish I could go to that instead mom age and happiness HITIN. My childhood in Butler, the memories will always live in my heart. Thank you.